Surprised to see Uthobile respond to a comment that has to do no Macele, guys. So before we get to start off today, the rest of the house is Sambane Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 2026. So guys, let's get to start off today. So guys, there's a lady who commented on a picture at Thobile Mseleko, guys, wife number 3. This lady went on to say, Ma Khumalo, the penwise ziswa uMacele sisi ikuwe but bekezela kuzondlula. Uthobile, she went on to say, ipheni yani ngamzwisa yona. So she's asking herself, what is going on? What pain did I cause Dlunkulu Macele, guys? I don't remember there's anything Uthobile she did to Macele. The only thing that I can say about Thobile, guys, is she is the begezeling. Ever since we've watched Uthandwa Tembo from season 1, she was just that women will agree with Mosamseleko whether it's right or wrong, guys. She will always want to be in the good books of Mosamseleko. So I think that was the problem between Thobile and the other wives, guys. You know, she didn't care how the other wives feels as long as the husband Mosamseleko is happy. Whatever decision he's saying, Thobile will agree. Marakule season, you can see that this season, your Uthandwa Tembo season 9, she's trying so hard to turn everyone against Mosamseleko. And if there's one person who say, I'm not gonna fall for this Macele, guys, now Macele has turned to be the old Thobile. Now tables are turned. Thobile, she's now the Macele, uMacele is now Thobile, guys. You can see she's always talking to Mangwabe. She's meeting up no Mangwabe to discuss Mosamseleko, guys. You know, when it comes to Maini, guys, they've go back to season 1 until season 5, Uthandwa Tembo, guys, you will understand Thobile better. Uthobile, she was not just a wife, she was the Mbogoto, the begezeling wife. You know, she was everything that a man needs. You know, Mosamseleko used to praise Thobile like nobody's business. She was just so innocent, guys. Everybody loves Thobile because we could see her as this perfect wife who didn't have a problem. She will even go lives on Instagram. She will preach how to take care of your husband. Some will get angry, especially those divorced women. They will go against Thobile, saying, "What, you don't know anything." Thobile, guys, she will praise Mosamseleko like nobody's business. Right now, things are no longer the same. Now she's angry, she's beaten. People are saying, "What, she can see Osamke in herself." Guys, Osamke now is representing her. That's why she's angry with her Samke, guys. Some people are saying, Uthobile, instead of being angry to Samke, you need to walk away and be free. You have money, you have everything. There's a lot of men in South Africa that are waiting for you. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Tell me in the comment section, guys, which pain Thobile caused my Macele, guys. I'm asking myself even now, what is going on? Bye.